Greetings, welcome to video 2 in our series, What is Money? I am your host, Chris, founder and creator of GIP Squared. Let's answer the question from video 1. If you remember, the question was, is money a belief system? The answer is yes, money is a belief system. Guys, this is why GIP Squared is here. We are introducing a new belief system. Now, every individual has a choice. You can continue to use the old debt-based belief system, giving you fear, worry, and lack, or you can choose using the new belief system, which is prosperity-based, giving you abundance and another level of freedom. In this lesson today, we are going to talk about when did money start losing its value. I'm going to be using an orange juice container, an analogy. But the answer is, I'll give it to you up front, it started losing its value. It actually was when the Federal Reserve came into existence, which was February 23rd, 1913. Okay, but let's use the orange juice container so that you understand this. Okay, let's assume that you are now a server at a fancy all-you-can-eat breakfast buffet. Your responsibility as a server is the fresh orange juice container. This orange juice container holds 100 ounces of fresh squeezed orange juice. Your role is, when it drops down to 60%, you are to go in the back and fill it back up with fresh squeezed orange juice, back to 100 ounces for the customers. One time you notice there's no more fresh squeezed orange juice. You let your supervisor know. The supervisor made a decision at that point. They said, when no one's looking, just fill it with water. We have a long weekend, so let's just keep filling it with water. When it drops down to 60%, you fill it with water. Drops down to 60 ounces, fill it with water. This is what we have been doing the whole weekend. So at the end of the weekend, we calculated that the orange juice container only has 3 ounces of orange juice. Now we're going to learn a new word called intrinsic value. So again, we're at the end of the week, so there's only 3 ounces of orange juice and 97% of it is water. So the term is called, this orange juice container only has an intrinsic value of 3% orange juice, and it has lost 97% of its value of orange juice. Ladies and gentlemen, this is what's been going on with our monetary system since 1913. When we went